you're learning dictionary in Python, you usually think of them as standalone collections of key-value pairs. But in real applications, data often comes from multiple places. Imagine you're developing a video game. There are three levels of settings. First, the game has default settings that every player starts with. Then each gaming team can customize some of those settings. Finally, every individual player can have their own preferences. The interesting part is that not every setting needs to be defined at every level. For example, suppose the game's default configuration looks like this. Now, imagine a specific team prefers a harder game and disables the background music. Okay. One player on that team decides to change only their display resolution. Now, here's the question. If we want to know this player preferred language, where should Python look? It's not inside the player settings. It's also not inside the team's settings. Eventually, it should fall back to the default configuration. Doing this manually isn't difficult for one or two dictionaries, but imagine 5 or 6 configuration layers. You'd have to write something like that quickly becomes repetitive and hard to maintain. Fortunately, Python already provides a cleaner solution. The ChainMap class combines multiple dictionaries into a single view. Okay. The order matters. Python first checks the player's settings. If the key doesn't exist there, it looks in the team's settings. If it's still missing, it checks the defaults. Let's test it. The player's own preference overrides everything else. Now, let's check the difficulty. The player didn't define it, so Python finds it in the team's configuration. Finally, let's request the language. Neither the player nor the team customized that value, so Python automatically falls back to the default dictionary. This fallback behavior is exactly what makes ChainMap so useful. Another nice feature is that if you add a new value to the chain map, it is written only to the first dictionary. The theme and default dictionaries remain unchanged. ChainMap also keeps reference to all of the dictionaries it manages. You can inspect them with okay. This returns the list of dictionaries in the order Python searches through them. In real-world projects, ChainMap is especially useful when working with layered configurations. For example, application defaults, configuration file, environment variables, command line arguments, user preferences. Instead of writing complex fallback logic yourself, ChainMap handles the lookup automatically. It's a simple tool, but it can make configuration management much cleaner and easier to maintain, especially as your application grows. Subscribe for more Python tips.